Hello, Professor Brown here again. This week we're going to talk about rule of law. In fact, we'll be talking about it for the next couple of weeks and even beyond that. It's one of the main ideas in philosophy of law, the concept of rule of law. We began talking about it about a week ago when we talked about Trump. I had you do a little small research project looking up Trump and rule of law and seeing what you found online. Uh, a few ideas that came out of our discussion of that is the idea that no one is above the law and that you need a separation of powers and a system of checks and balances along with that to establish rule of law, to make sure that no one is above the law or beyond the law. Otherwise, you have what is called arbitrary government, where one person, say in a dictatorship or a monarchy, or a group of people, say in an oligarchy, which is a rule by the wealthy, has complete control and can do whatever they want. Okay, so in our separate PowerPoint lecture that goes along with this lesson, I talk about the 5 principles of rule of law that Altman lays out in his text. First is the idea that you have government under law. Second is you have a set of rules that the government operates under. 3, these rules give people fair warning, and that'll be explained in great detail. 4, that everyone has due process under the law, and here we're talking about proper procedure, fair trial, etc. And 5, that the power resides with the people. They establish rule of law, they establish a constitutional government, and also by establishing it, the people themselves agree to abide by the law. So we have reading and viewing, including this viewing that's to be done this week. We have talking points and we have discussion. So, cheers.